high quality crap.
Welcome back, everyone, to the next match. The match we're on now, fifth one? Fifth? Fourth? Yeah, fifth. Fifth match of TPW versus 2CW Invasion. And now starts the bulk of our show. The main important part of the reason why we're even doing this show in the first place. The best of 7 series, TPW versus 2CW. Fighting for bragging rights, fighting for brand recognition. Vito wants to shove it in our face that 2CW is the better brand, the better wrestling show. And the first match of the night, we have 2CW's own Storm taking on our current TPW Women's Champion, Black Canary, who won it, remind you, at that Battle Royale last show at Everything or Nothing. So this is her first defense. Let's see if she can win it.
So, I will say I have trained with her, Black Canary. She is a very good fighter, and I'm just going to say, it doesn't matter how good of a fighter you are, you're fighting against someone that can control the weather. So, for all we know right now, at any second, a tornado could just come through and kill everybody. So, please be nice to this woman. And you can see the sky is darkening out right now.
We're starting to get nighttime here. Storm from the X-Men. Quite frankly, I just realized all the X-Men have sided with Vito.
Yeah.
Remember, Gambit used to be on our brand, and he's a turncoat. Gambit betrayed us. The best X-Men betrayed us. Cyclops is with them. Storm is with them. This hurts my feelings.
Yeah.
The X-Men betrayed us. Yes, I know. I see what you're talking about there, dude. Patrick over here is signaling for Storm's fun bags. No, nothing bad intended by that. It's just, but he was making a signal for Hooters. But we can make fun of her. She's not with us, so there you go.
Yeah.
We have all the right to put them. Oh, does it sound right? Given she's right.
Oh my. Okay, all right. Let's just switch the topic. But before she starts a tornado killing everybody.
Has everyone ever noticed that Black Canary has the face of Stephanie McMahon?
Yeah. Or has anybody else ever noticed Black Canary dresses like a stripper? Prostitution illegally. Hey, I never said change your outfit.
What? Storm! Oh!
Right in the butt cheek.
Storm, these 2CW wrestlers don't know how to play fair.
Loose butt cheeks has joined your life.
She's mocking her. Storm. I never thought I'd see Storm acting like that. Oh, Black Canary taking it to Storm. Storm going right after. Oh, a reversal kick to the face by Black Canary. Oh, and Black Canary did not expect that. And she's just mocking her right now. She's just telling her to bring it on. Storm. Oh, no, Storm. Oh, down she goes. These two women, it's literally the X-Men, or should I say even in some cases the Avengers, versus the Justice League in this match.
Oh, what is Black Canary doing with that belt?
No, you can't do that. That'd be the most cheapskate way to get it, and she would literally cost us a win if she does that. This is best of 7. She has to go for the victory. She'd be screwing over our company if she gets disqualified. Storm's just mocking her right now. Black Canary, trained fighter, she's telling her to bring it in the ring so they could actually get it on. And not like that.
I mean, I'd pay to get it on.
Well, of course, but we have to be a little serious here, dude. This is now where the bulk of the show where we have to be serious. We have to hope our team wins.
Yeah.
Vito has been mocking us for like a year now. We have to win this thing. It is all done now, and I made sure to put this show on so you two can settle your differences.
Yeah.
I'm getting tired of the bullcrap between you two. It's been going on for far too long. Oh!
Well, we all know the best way to fix problems between families is put them in rings and make them fist fight till someone's bleeding.
Especially in the wrestling world, we've seen the Harts fight each other, the Guerreros fight each other, the McMahons fight each other.
Yeah. All people in separate companies that are probably copywritten.
The Flairs have fought each other. Maybe even Hogan somewhat, even though now I don't know if he fought his daughter Brooke, but knowing how Hulk is, maybe. What is she doing out there? Oh! Oh, down, right onto
that plate thing. The top of that table.
Oh, DDT outside the ring, Black Canary. Black Canary's finally getting an offense in this match. Finally getting an offense. Storm is trying to get it. Now Storm was sitting too highly of herself. Oh! She just hit the referee from behind. Oh! No! Oh, she's trying to pin her. She's trying to pin her with that. The referee's not up. The referee is there. Oh! Referee! One. No! She broke out of it.
The referee was just too distracted.
Referee! Oh, she's trying to. Vito is not just trying to embarrass us here and get brand recognition and, bragging rights. He's trying to take our titles too. He's just mad we never gave the titles to anyone else like women in tags.
Yeah.
We only ever got Luffy to have a belt. We kind of fell under in like the first 5 months. We've been lasting here at least a year and a half, so. I mean, the last year has been kind of insane because. Oh, here comes Sunset with Powerbomb! Oh, that'd be enough to finish her. Oh, no, it's not. Storm is trying to get. She's attacking her. Oh! Oh, reversal.
Oh, and a reversal.
Oh, jeez, oh!
Again with that move. Oh my god, the face.
No, she couldn't hold it there, I don't think. Storm. Oh crap, Storm tried to control the winds there and it didn't look like it worked.
Again with that move, just breaking her face.
She's got her. Oh, that'd be enough. 1, 2, 3. Holy crap! Oh no.
Guys, we just lost our belt.
Canary. Have you ever noticed that our women's title basically changes hands almost every other show?
Yeah.
It's kind of sad. But oh no, they're one up us now. The Sunset Flip Powerbomb. Oh jeez. We're already off to a bad start here. This best of 7 is already started off by Vito, and I can only imagine what he's thinking backstage. The new TPW Women's Champion is Storm. I don't even know what happened to Black Canary. She must have rolled out of the ring. Where's Black Canary? Oh, what's Storm doing? Storm is literally yelling at her, mocking her. What in the world? Oh, she's throwing her back into the ring. She's taking her women's championship. And she totally missed. And she totally missed again. Oh, she's mocking her with that belt. She hit her in the foot. And Storm is just walking away. Is she going to walk away? She's walking away. Oh, she's just hitting her with the belt. That's it. She's just hitting her with the belt. That's all we're gonna go with, I guess. I don't know. I think she was walking away, but she decided to want to just destroy her with the belt. Now she's leaving the belt. I don't know what's going on anymore.
She's just leaving all her belt in the middle of the ring for some reason.
She didn't even take the belt with her. What? What?
What is going on?